Alright, so I'm doing some vacuum testing on the actuator control valve. And that's about, I would say that's about just shy of 13. And then the other portion of it's right here. And that's all the way into like the 20 range, which is weird, but let me try and use this part of the plate, see if it's the plate just not sealing real good. Yeah, it's about 12 on the inboard side. So yeah, so this section's the inboard side, and then this little foot right here is the outboard side. Yeah, now I'm getting like 18 or so on there. Double check my tool. Yep, that's what it is. Unfortunately, I think that valve needs to be reamed and replaced. Is what it is, though.